Friends and families of Burnaby South, you pay for this, and yet, why are you afraid to take it to work or home late at night? I'm talking about you having to constantly worry about your safety when taking public transit. Even if you're not scared, you can't take it, because the Expo line is completely packed at peak hours. If you're curious as to how I will aim to improve the infrastructure and public transportation safety, follow me. I'm Han Lee from Conservative Party of BC. Vote for me on October 19th.